Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and I welcome you all to this new Salesforce Development with AI course in which we're going to learn about the two powerful tools, the Cursor IDE and the Agentforce for developers inside of Visual Studio Code, and we will learn to build apps using these IDEs. Now, first important thing is if you are somebody who is scared of writing code, if you're somebody who spends a lot of time debugging your code, and if you're somebody who writes a lot of test classes in your day-to-day life, and if you are just doing that manually, then you're basically wasting time. So these two tools that I will be teaching you, the Cursor IDE as well as Visual Studio Code, they work within your code base and you can ask them to write code for you. The tools are not 100% accurate, so you still need your own knowledge to correct these answers that it's going to give you, but it can reduce a lot of your effort and can help you improve your productivity. So first important thing is about me, right? I'm your instructor. So I'm Deepika Khanna, founder of mytutorialrack.com, and I have taught 200,000 plus students around the globe, helping them getting Salesforce certifications. The kind of courses that I've created are data cloud courses, admin related, development related, integration related. So I have huge number of best-selling courses available out there. And if you know me and if you have taken previous of my courses, then you know that my teaching style is very interesting and very different. I try to explain things in a very practical manner, easy to understand manner. I start from the basics and then build my way up to more advanced topics. And this course is no different. I'm going to go ahead and start with the fundamentals, and then we're going to build two small projects using Cursor IDE as well as the Agentforce for developers. The main course objective is I want you to learn about these two IDEs, the Cursor IDE as well as the Agentforce for developers inside of Visual Studio Code, and use them to build apps faster, how to write LWC code, how to write Apex classes, create validation rules, flows, fields, pretty much anything you can do. And not only that, I will also help you configuring MCP servers where you can talk to GitHub, you can talk to Salesforce DX, and then you can even push your code to a GitHub repository as well as to your orgs. So we will talk about MCPs and how to configure MCP server inside of Cursor as well as the Agentforce for developers. The course is very interesting, is very modern, and very is up to the speed with the latest things that are going around in the AI world. So you definitely need to know about AI and you have to learn to embrace AI. What are the topics we're going to talk about in this course? So the course is basically divided into two parts. The first part, we will talk about Cursor IDE. We'll talk about Cursor rules, MCP, how to configure MCP servers. We will talk about Cursor commands. And then we will also go ahead and build a mini project using Cursor IDE. Then we will talk about Agentforce for developers. We will see what are the different features that are available, and also we'll build a mini project using Agentforce for developers in this course. So you're building two main projects, and through those projects, you're learning to use Cursor IDE and Agentforce for developers. So what are the benefits of taking this course? The most important thing is you're going to learn about AI. You're going to learn to build code using AI. And the very popular IDE these days is Cursor IDE, and also Salesforce has recently introduced Agentforce for developers. So you're going to learn about that as well. You will learn while practicing along with me. You're going to build projects along with me. And then you're going to talk about different settings that are available to make your life more easier. Learn about new AI tools, right? You need to be up to date with what's going on, what are the different tools. So this course will bring you up to speed. So what are you waiting for? Join this course right now, right? And I'm going to see you inside the course. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Take care.